Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Yes, today we're going to test out the cameras on the Pixel 4a. We're going to see what these cameras can do. This is 4K at 30 frames. Yes, I'm at my little park. So just another bright day in Texas. Y'all let me know how it sounds. How does it do with the wind? Because it is kind of windy in Texas. I think I said that in my last video. But yeah, we're in a new little spot at my park. We're going to check out these colors. How does the Pixel do with focusing and everything else? How's the stabilization? And yes, the playground is open in Texas. I don't know if I will let my kids play on here. But what y'all think? Actually, the colors look really good by what I'm seeing on the phone. But y'all let me know. Again, I'm gonna do 1080p. That's 4 times zoom. The people probably like, what is going on? But I'm gonna do 1080p at 60 and 30, and also the front-facing camera and some photos. And some photos during the nighttime, and also some video too. So I'm gonna come back with the 1080p at 60. But this is just, man, the cameras are really good. Y'all let me know. Again, I'm gonna do some comparison too. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. How does that sound? How does everything look? How's the stabilization? Let's zoom in again. Not too bad. Yes, I'm at my famous little park. There's tons of people. Look, there's some clouds though. But there's tons of people out here. Yes, you look weird walking around the park, holding a phone, talking to it, but who cares? Again, I am enjoying the Pixel. The cameras on this device have been really good. Still testing out the battery life and also the performance. The performance has been good. I still need a game on it to see if it can actually play some heavy games or not. But so far, I'm not having a problem with it. Love it. Look, there's more people walking. But I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30 frames. Look at the ground. Yes, it is dry in Texas. We don't get much rain during this time. So everything green is turning brown. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back at 1080p at 30 frames. Until then, peace. All right, everyone. So this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Again, what y'all thought about the 4K and the 1080p at 60? I think it looks actually pretty good. Any focusing problems? I don't see any. But again, stabilization should be on, so hopefully the video is smooth. Look at that. Actually tells you to back up to improve focus. How does the colors look on that playground? Nobody's on there today. Maybe because a creepy old man is walking around the park filming. I'm gonna zoom in again. 5 times zoom. That actually looks pretty good compared to other phones. But what y'all think? I'm just holding the phone, so see how the stabilization is. I'm gonna go back to the park or this little playground and see how the colors do. So yes, you can pick up this phone for $349. You can pre-order it at the time of this video. And the cameras have been good. Pixel's always known for their photos, but I think the video is getting better too. I can't wait to get into the computer and actually take a look. I'm actually gonna put this bad boy against some of my other flagship phones and phones that cost a little bit more to see how good it really is. Look at the colors. So I'm gonna come back with the front facing video in a moment. Until then, peace. Alright everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Pixel 4a. What y'all thought about those photos and also the video? I think the Pixel 4a has improved on the video. I would love to see it against like my LG V60 or even the Motorola Edge or even the TCL 10 Pro. I might do some comparisons just to see how good the video really is. But so far, I think the video has improved from, say, the 4A XL. And the photos are just as good, too. It's amazing what Google can do with just one camera and some software. I don't know, what y'all think? I'm going to do some walking really quick. Check out the stabilization. What y'all think? Actually looks pretty good. Again, how does that sound? How does everything look? Look at the background. Yes, I'm just holding the phone talking to it. Look, that sun is bright though in Texas. I'm gonna come back with some nighttime video and photos. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the Pixel 4a at nighttime. Yes, I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames. I'm at my famous little parking lot. That is Walmart. Look at this zoom in. Man, nighttime video looks pretty good. You should see the photos. I already have been looking at them, and yeah. The Google has nighttime photos down pretty well. Pretty well, not gonna lie. But again, how does everything look to y'all? How do I sound? How's the wind? I did 4K earlier and it looked pretty good. The wind was a little loud some spots, but y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. I think this actually looks pretty good too. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and some photos too before that, so that way y'all can take a look at those too. I don't know, look at the sky. The light is messing with that, but that actually looks pretty good. But I'm gonna come with the front facing video and, like I said, the photos next. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Pixel 4a at 1080p 30 frames per second. What do y'all think? Man, does a great job, I'm not gonna lie. Again, how did I look? How did I sound? Yeah, shout out to the Tigers again. Look at the background. Yes, I'm at Big Lots, as you can tell behind me. Just walking in the parking lot, talking to the phone. But how does everything look and how does that sound though? The mic seemed pretty good on the phone because I was watching what I shot during the daytime. Y'all let me know, y'all already watched it too, but what y'all think? Not bad. What y'all thought about this whole video? Are the cameras good on the Pixel 4a? I'm gonna have to say yes. I am going to have to say yes to that. But let's get a discussion going. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, because that's why I do these videos, so y'all can do your homework and make a decision if you want to pick up this phone. Remember, the phone is $349 on Amazon and Best Buy. I think a lot of people are buying it because what I've seen is that they're selling a lot of the pre-orders already. So y'all let me know. That's a weird car coming by. No big deal. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Also follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.